Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS backgrounds. And right now, we'll be discussing about the CSS background position to the right. The CSS background position right. The, the background position property is used to specify the position of the background image. Never forget that. So quickly, we are going to use it again and we are going to give it the value of right. The right value. So back to our document. As you can see, we are having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the positioning to the left. Can you see? So now let's use the position to the right so you can see how it works also. Right, yeah. When we write the right position, let's give this right. Save your document and reload. Can you see? We have our document at the right side of our document. Now let's reload our document. Let's bring the screen back to the normal way. Can you see? Can you see? The element shift from the left to the right. Now previous tutorial we discussed about the left. Let me show you how the left also works. Show you how the left, because we have discussed about it now. So you can take our previous tutorial and can you see the left is at this left side, right? But we now want to shift to the right. The right is going to take us to the right side of the screen. But one thing I want you to note is because I've talked about this in our previous tutorial. You should check our previous tutorial because I talked about some deep things, deep explanation about this. This image is not at the top right. It just took its own size by itself. It just took space by itself, but you just make sure that it's on the right and or it's on the left, but it's not. Is all this space right here, we are not the one that specify it there. So let's say for instance now you remove all this document you've wrote so far. Let's save our document now. Can you see our body is now empty, right? Now let's reload. Can you see the way it functions also different? Can you see, like the way we did when we were using our background position to the left? So the same thing occurs also here when we are using the background position to the right. I want you to get the point I'm bringing out. Can you see when I reload my document again? So it's like this one now is reflecting is reflecting under our fit set, which is not supposed to be like that. Later we are going to control it. So I'm going to show, let me show you something again now so you can be able to understand what I'm talking about. Our fit set element, we are selecting it and give it background color. Let's give it its own background color. Let's give it red. Yeah, let's give it red. Give it red. Can you see when we reload, it's chop out our background image, which is not supposed to chop it because we haven't even specified the place it's supposed to be. So we are going to control that. So please stay tuned and be aware of that. If you are not aware of that, that's why I'm trying to explain in deep details like this. Please be aware of it. So once again, we have covered our background position to the right, and next we are going to cover the rest. Anwar Akorede is my name. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye bye. To the next. Thanks.